Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare a super tasty prawn egg roast. It's a 5-minute quick side dish for rice, roti and all kinds of variety rice. To prepare this, you need very few simple ingredients. Please check description box for ingredient list and other details. In a mixing bowl, I've taken deveined and cleaned prawns. I'm adding turmeric, chili and coriander powder, ginger garlic paste and required salt. Combine well and let it marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes. In a cooking pan, add required oil, preferably sesame oil or coconut oil. Add the marinated prawns in a single layer. Cook the prawns in medium to high flame 1 minute on each side. After 1 minute, flip over the prawns to the other side. And cook the other side for 1 more minute. Now the prawns are well roasted on both sides. Take them out and keep aside. In the same pan, add more oil as required. Add thinly sliced small onions. Toss until onions turn translucent. Add curry leaves. Give a quick stir. Now add the roasted prawns. Combine the roasted prawns with the fried onions. Now whisk the egg well. Pour the well-beaten egg over roasted prawns. Scramble eggs and blend the eggs well with roasted prawns. Finally, add finely chopped mint leaves and squeeze of fresh lime juice. Combine well and roast for 2 more minutes. The super tasty prawn egg roast is now ready. This prawn egg roast goes well with rice, roti and all kinds of variety rice. Do prepare this quick prawn egg roast and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.